Now, Edith Wharton is somebody people sometimes had to study in high school, especially if you did an AP sort of literature class. And she's fascinating because she is the first woman ever to win a Pulitzer Prize, which is huge for a woman, right, in 1927, which I think is great for the Age of Innocence, which was turned into a film. This is a whole section of her books here. We teach her in schools. Sometimes kids find her boring because the world she writes about was that world of proper manners and all that sort of thing, and they have to really work through why this is interesting. I think we should teach some of her ghost stories. If we taught her ghost stories, how more interested would an audience be, and then maybe they'd want to read the more grown-up world and society that she's, satirizing. I think it's really cool that she put out all these ghost stories back in the day. Afterward is her ghost story for Christmas, which is nothing more than what Charles Dickens did with A Christmas Carol. We read him every year. There's been how many versions of A Christmas Carol made into films, including the Muppets, which is the best one.